Assalamualaikum to Dr. Zulkifli. My name is Aqbar bin Rashid and I will present about my industrial training report at the RediCare Sedang Berhad branch SKL. Okay, for the content for this presentation will be introduction, work culture, work experience and also conclusion. For the introduction, RediCare Sedang Berhad is a leading integrated facility management company that specializes in the provision of non-clinical support services to the healthcare sector in Malaysia. And then RediCare helps build a foundation of excellence that enable it to remain synonym with quality hospital support services. And then it leveraging on 25 years of experience and expertise. And also RediCare is poised to extend further the frontier of service excellence, ultimately contributing toward higher quality of healthcare services. Okay, this is a organization chart. If you can see here, they have 5 departments starting from IT, housekeeping, FAM, BAMS and sustainability. My job has been work at the electrical and the FAM department. And then for the work culture, my working time is from Monday to Friday, starting from 8 AM until 5:30 PM. And of course, the break time is 1 PM until 2 PM. And then for the fasting month, it will be start from 8 AM until 4:30 PM. Okay, for the work environment, first of all, they provide instruction and explanation when problem or uncertainty occur. That's mean before the staff troubleshooting the system or machine, they will brief a little bit about the machine. And then they helpful and supportive staff, friendly and cheerful, give opportunity to try something new. What opportunity that I got is to change the cable at the phone jack and then provide a good facility. Okay, for the work experience is carry out regular work in the field of electronic and electrical engineering on a daily basis, and then assist technician for a certain task. And then for the regular work, what I do is a telephone system, CCTV, access card reader and also UPS. Okay, for the telephone system, at the left side, this is a PABX. They have 5 rack total for the PABX system, and rack number 1 is the main for incoming line from the TM, and then each slot provide 20 users number. And then from this bottom, this is digital and also analog. For digital, they will be used for the director. For analog, they will be used for the users. And then at the middle, this is a PRI number from incoming line from the TM by using a fiber cable. And this is a multiplexer that is actually to connect the line with the SCC building. And then this is a Crontac. This Crontac can be installed at the maximum 20 number of users. Okay, for the CCTV at the HKL, they use Ahua and Bosch because they have same function, which is use 2.8 mm fixed length with a 4 megapixel, and also they can be rotated until 360 degrees. Okay, at the middle one, this is a monitoring system where the CCTV has been located, and the total device is 193. Okay, for the video maker, this is a component electronic device that record video in a digital format and also has been installed by using a coax cable. Okay, this is a access reader where has the same function even though they have a different type. This access reader is a single door access control and can be detected by using access card. For the pin, it requires 4-digit pin to unlock the door. Okay, this access reader can support until 1000 card users. And then if you can see here, this is a electronic component inside this access reader, and the component require 9 cable connection and use a copper wire for the RFID access. And then for this component, they supervise the one door sensor and exit button, one dedicated fire alarm input, configurable as reader temper, emergency brake glass monitor, or general purpose. Okay, for the UPS, UPS is stand for uninterruptible power supply, and its function during power surge and failure. UPS devices keep computer system and IT equipment safe, and UPS provide 80 battery backup power when the flow of electricity drop to an adequate voltage or it stop. And then if you can see at the bottom here, they have 4 switch, which is for the SWIN is a switch for the incoming supply, and for SW out is the output supply to the DB. SWMB, this switch must be in off condition because it is used for maintenance services. And then lastly, for the SWBY is a bypass function. This switch must be always on to prevent a trip. And then for the lastly, this is a DB for the UPS, and incoming supply is from the substation 3. Okay, for the assist technician, the first one, what I do is to close PPM and then rewiring the cable connection to a phone jack. Actually, I close PPM at the assist software which provided from the data entry. And then for the rewiring cable connection to phone jack, this is actually use the different cable and then connect to the phone jack. And then for the conclusion, I learned a lot of things while working at Redicare. It is not like other company because this company, there will always be assistance from student or staff who work primarily on a production line, whether on hand or operating any machine. Some tasks are not directly related to the course being taken. They can add to the student knowledge. And then for the lastly is a more committed and disciplined to fix the problem. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.